Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Markets.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Markets.com is an FTSE 250 listed global company that was founded in 2008, and they are regulated by the CySEC, the ASIC and FSCA. This broker offers tight spreads, VIP services, and sophisticated technology for retail traders and institutional investors, but it is also a suitable option for beginners. When trading with Markets.com, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. However, 2 proprietary platforms are also provided if you are interested in trying something new. The Markets.com website offers a user-friendly layout with a search bar, and all relevant information is located on the menu bar. Information about regulations and policies can be found at the very bottom of the homepage, but you can also click on the About section to learn more about the company. Direct download links to the mobile application can also be found at the bottom of the homepage, as well as updates on the latest market news. To find more information about the instruments you can trade with Markets.com, simply click on the Products tab on the menu bar and choose an option from the drop-down list. There are currently 65 currency pairs that you can trade with Markets.com. Markets.com is a MetaTrader-friendly broker, and you can use both the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms with your trading account. The MetaTrader platforms are renowned for having advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more, making them 2 of the most popular trading platforms on the market. If you are interested in trying something different, Markets.com offers 2 proprietary platforms that are tailored to retail trading and investing. MarketsX is the multi-asset retail trading platform, and it gives you free access to a wide range of trading tools for fundamental, technical, and sentiment analysis. You can access all tradable instruments with this platform and enjoy tight spreads and fast trade execution. MarketsX is also available as a mobile application. It can be used to easily manage your trades and set up custom trading alerts to keep you in the loop. The MarketsI platform is designed for short-term to long-term investing, and it comes with an investment strategy builder tool, competitive commission rates, and flexible investment options. When you trade on the MarketsI platform, your first 3 months of investing will be commission-free, and this application allows you to personalize your investments based on the index, sector, market cap, and average daily volume of the assets you are investing in. Both platforms provide powerful risk management tools, and there are 8 different types of market alerts that you can use to monitor your trades. They also come with an advanced charting package, and you will have access to breaking news and market commentary to help you make more informed decisions when trading. Markets.com offers one standard multi-purpose trading account that can be used to access all the platforms, as well as over 2,200 tradable instruments. But you can upgrade to a professional account if you're a high-volume trader or an institutional investor. A minimum deposit of $100 will be required to activate your live trading account, and your account can be funded with several base currencies, including the US dollar, the euro, Great British pound, and the South African rand. You can leverage your trades by up to 300 times your initial deposit amount. Your Markets.com account comes with negative balance protection and minimal slippage, with tight spreads guaranteed. With the Markets.com account, you will be able to trade more than 1,900 shares, 24 cryptocurrencies, 65 forex pairs, and a variety of bonds, commodities, indices, CFDs, and more. If you would like to know more about the fee structure and supported payment methods, you can read our in-depth review over on our website. The link will be provided in the description. Opening an account with Markets.com is simple and easy, and the process will not take more than 24 hours for your account to be approved. Firstly, launch the Markets.com homepage, and then click on the Create Account button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account, and then submit your documents and complete the Trading Experience questionnaire. Once your email address is verified and your account is approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. After you have opened your account, whether it's a live account or a demo account, for live accounts, be sure to verify your identity and submit the required documents, after which you will be redirected to the Markets.com web trader. You can either choose your preferred platform or use their proprietary web trader. In our case, we decided to go with the Markets.com web trader. And as easy as that, we're in. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your watch list. From this list, you can easily switch between a variety of market instruments. In the center of your dashboard, you have your chart, key statistics you can view, your profile, related instruments, and more. And above that, your buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading or have never used the Markets.com proprietary platforms before, you can find a variety of educational video tutorials over on their YouTube channel to help you familiarize yourself with the platforms and all the information that you need to get started. With regards to educational resources, to learn more about the fundamentals of Forex and CFD trading, you can visit the Markets.com Knowledge Center for traders' insights, honest expert opinions, and tips for trading and investing with confidence. You can download the A to Z of Trading, a beginner's guide to trading financial markets ebook, and use X-Ray for personalized news feeds, expert views, and market commentary. There are plenty of webinars, news updates, analysis reports, and other resources you can use to help you learn more about trading and to ensure that you make well-informed decisions so that you can establish healthy trading habits. Because trading on a hunch is always a risk. Markets.com also has a healthy research offering, consisting of an investment strategy builder, real execution stats, and share dealing. With their strategy builder, traders can select their own bespoke strategy based on their risk appetite and investing goals. You can choose from some of the best performing sectors and assets across a range of industries and regions. Traders can get a level of diversification they are comfortable with, from asset class to sector, region, and industry, as well as use their own knowledge to build their portfolio based on the company's strategy tips. Traders are given expert advice for choosing the right strategy from a range of tools, insights, and analysis. With share dealing, traders can choose from thousands of shares to buy and sell, and build their portfolio using a powerful suite of data and analytics tools. Over the numerous years, Markets.com have won several awards in the past. Particularly, in 2020, the broker had won the Best Trading Platform in the FX Scouts Awards. In 2017, the firm won Best Forex Provider and Best FX Platform in the UK Forex Awards. Overall, it is important to remember that sentiment trading is not the same as sentimental trading. So when you trade with Markets.com, you can rest assured that you will always have access to all the news, insights, and commentary you need to make calculated, informed decisions, which will greatly improve your chances of success. Despite being a MetaTrader-friendly broker, we encourage you to try the Markets.com platforms because there are 14 tools that are exclusive to MarketsX that you will not find anywhere else. And these intuitive tools might be exactly what you need to take your trades to the next level. Markets.com is a well-regulated brokerage in 5 jurisdictions. The core services provided by this brokerage are exceptional. The company's platform is cleanly designed, easy to use, and includes a respectable offering of features, including integrated research, market analysis, webinars, and educational videos. The company also offers relatively lower comparable spreads and access to a more significant number of tradable instruments than many of its peers. Markets.com's high-level regulatory status provides a sound trading environment, with a wealth of tools and methods for traders to enhance their profitability. And that is our overview of Markets.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.